Today, let's take a tour of Yacht Club Resort at Walt Disney World. Yacht Club Resort is a deluxe resort in the Epcot area of Walt Disney World. The theming is after a New England-style yacht club. It's a bit more elegant than most resorts with dark finishes and nautical touches throughout. This resort is located right next to and is connected to Beach Club Resort, with the two sharing some amenities. Both are along Crescent Lake, as well as the Swan, Dolphin, and Boardwalk resorts. As you enter the yacht club, you'll immediately notice the theming of the lobby area with lounge seating and decor throughout. The front desk area is located here, as well as bell services if you need them to hold your luggage on check-in or check-out days. Just off the lobby, you'll find Ale and Compass, which has 3 different parts to it: the table service restaurant, the lounge, as well as the market, which offers quick service options. There's also Yachtsman Steakhouse, a New England-style steakhouse which serves steaks and fresh seafood, among other things. And adjacent to Yachtsman Steakhouse is the Cruise Cup Lounge, which is open in the evenings and not only has a full bar menu, but several good food options as well. All discussions of dining options available here would be remiss to not mention all of the other nearby options you can get within a few minutes of walking. At the Beach Club, you'll have easy access to Cape May Cafe, Beaches and Cream, and Hurricane Hannah's, which is located out by the pool. If that isn't enough, you'll also have options at the Swan and Dolphin and in the Boardwalk area to choose from. Let's go inside and take a look at what the rooms look like here. Most rooms have either 2 queen beds or 2 queen beds with a day bed and accommodate up to 5 people. Be sure to request a room with a day bed if that's something that's important to you. There's plenty of storage in the space, 2 sinks in the bathroom with a door that separates the sink and toilet space. One thing every room at this resort has, which is a nice perk, a balcony. While you might need to request one at other resorts, everybody here will have one in their room. Outside of the queen bedrooms, there's also a room option with a king bed that accommodates up to 2 people and a limited number of 2-bedroom suites. Various room views can be booked, and they include standard view, garden view, woods view, and water view. Guests staying here can also book the club level option, which gives you access to the club level lounge, concierge desk, turn down service, and a few other perks. Guests staying at Yacht Club will have lots of activities, starting with the main pool, which is Stormalong Bay, the main pool for both the yacht and beach club. It is widely considered the best pool of any Walt Disney World resort. It is 3 acres and has a sandy bottom pool, lazy river, a big 230 feet long shipwreck slide, and whirlpool spas. There's also an area great for young children that includes a 0-entry gentle slope and a little slide of their own. At Stormalong Bay, you can also rent a cabana if you'd like. This provides you a cast member who will take food and drink orders while you're there, a ceiling fan to keep cool, nicer furniture, a TV, charging ports, a safe, and a mini fridge. There are a limited number of these available, and reservations can be made by calling 407-WDW-PLAY. In addition to the main pool, there is also a quiet pool here, as well as one over at the Beach Club that you can use. You will find 24-hour laundry services located near the Yacht Club quiet pool. Outside of the pools, you will find Lafferty Place Arcade, the Ship Shape Health Club, and Massage Salon Fitness, among other things that you will be able to find on the recreation schedule to keep you busy while you stay here. Let's talk transportation and start with one of the biggest selling points here, being within walking distance to 2 parks. From the Yacht Club, it's about 7 to 10 minutes to walk to Epcot and about 15 to 20 to walk to Hollywood Studios. You can also take a boat to either of those parks if you would like. With the Epcot Skyliner station being located just outside the International Gateway of Epcot, you also have the Skyliner option to take you to Hollywood Studios, as well as Riviera Resort, Caribbean Beach Resort, Pop Century, and Art of Animation. For other destinations like Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, and Disney Springs, you'll have Disney buses to take you. These buses are sometimes shared with nearby resorts. People with their own cars can self-park for $25 a night, and valet is available for $33. You can also walk to the other nearby resorts, giving you easy access to several more restaurants. As for our thoughts on this resort, we love that the location is about a 7 to 10 minute walk to Epcot and the Boardwalk area. There is a boat ride or the ability to walk to Hollywood Studios, is close to the Disney Skyliner station. Stormalong Bay is the best on-site pool at Walt Disney World, and cast members here get higher praise than most other resorts. All rooms have balconies, and it's dog-friendly. On the downside, it's not as well suited for families with small children and shares buses with a few other resorts, which can mean sometimes long bus rides. It's pretty ideal for adult groups who want easy access to Epcot and have a deluxe resort in the budget.